This was the official timeline my doctor gave me, a slow crawl of weeks and months before I could expect to feel normal again. But then something unexpected happened. What if I told you that timeline didn't go the way anyone expected? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why and what you can do to support your own healing journey safely. When you break a bone, the advice is simple: rest and let time do its thing. But here's the big question: is time the only thing that matters? Or is there something else most people overlook? What if your body already has everything it needs to heal, if you know how to help it? Your body is a natural repair system, but like any system, it can be optimized with the right inputs and environment. That's what I discovered, and I'll share the science-backed ways I approached it. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a doctor. This is my personal experience, backed by research, and everything I did was in partnership with my healthcare team. Always talk to your doctor before trying anything new. Section 1: the setback and the question that changed everything. One ordinary day turned into a nightmare. A fall, a sharp pain, and the ER visit confirmed it, a fracture needing surgery. My surgeon was fantastic. But then came the standard timeline: 6 weeks, no wait, 12 to 16 weeks before walking normally, and maybe 6 months to feel right again. That night, I stared at the calendar thinking, does healing really have to be this slow? Do you believe recovery speed is fixed, or can it change? Turns out, it's not fixed. Science shows your body responds to what you give it, like nutrition, circulation, and even micro-level stimulation. This realization set me on a mission. And the first big step? Understanding that bone isn't dead material. It's alive, constantly rebuilding. Healing a fracture is like building a skyscraper. It needs energy, materials, and the right environment. Section 2: the 3 pillars, and why most people miss the scent. I built my plan on 3 pillars. 1. Nutrition for repair. 2. A safe medical device that supports bone health through mindset and movement. First up, nutrition. Here's something fascinating. About 50% of bone is protein. No protein, no strong repair. I started prioritizing high-quality protein, lean meats, eggs, Greek yogurt. But it's not just about protein. Minerals matter too: calcium, vitamin D, vitamin K, plus vitamin C for collagen formation. And here's the kicker: without vitamin K, calcium might not go where it's needed. That detail alone blew my mind. And then I discovered something I had never heard my doctor mention, but I'll get to that in a minute. What do you think hurts bone recovery more? Missing a key nutrient or doing too much too soon? Both can delay healing, but nutrient gaps are sneaky because you don't feel them immediately, yet they impact every step of repair. Section 3: the overlooked tool, a doctor-approved device. Here's what most people never consider: a bone growth stimulator. I used a PEMF device, pulsed electromagnetic fields. Sounds futuristic, right? But here's what intrigued me. Bones naturally generate small electrical signals during healing. This device enhances that process. No, it's not magic. It's technology many orthopedic specialists recommend for slow-healing fractures. I didn't just buy it on a whim. I asked my doctor, showed the research, and got the green light. Using it felt empowering because I wasn't just waiting. I was actively supporting my body's work. If you could safely add one extra tool to your recovery, would you do it? Most of us would say yes, if it's proven, safe, and doctor approved. That's what made this step so important for me. If this is sparking ideas for your recovery, hit that like button. It helps this message reach more people who need hope. Section 4. The result that even surprised my doctor. 6 weeks later, I sat in that exam room, nervous. My doctor held up the new X-ray and paused. Then he smiled and said, "This is healing ahead of schedule." That moment was incredible. My callus looked strong, my mobility was returning, and I was cleared for partial weight bearing earlier than expected. But the most shocking part wasn't just what the X-ray showed, it was what I realized about my role in this process. Do you think mindset affects physical healing? Absolutely. Research shows a positive mindset can reduce stress hormones that interfere with repair. Staying engaged, hopeful, and proactive matters. So, what did I learn? A doctor's timeline is an estimate, not your destiny. By partnering with your care team, fueling your body with the right nutrients, and exploring approved tools, you can support faster healing. Recap: optimize your nutrition. Ask about safe devices like PEMF. Stay positive and move when cleared. Your body is designed to heal. Your job? Give it every advantage possible. If you've had an injury and found something that helped, share it in the comments. We're building a community of recovery and hope. And if you want more science-backed ways to take control of your health, subscribe for the next one.